Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change username on TradingView. First thing you do is open up a TradingView app, and next thing tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the name and tap on the pen icon at the top. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to type on the name and change it. And once you've gotten the name you want, you can also change your Twitter name. You can change your YouTube channel, YouTube username. I can even edit the photo by tapping on the photo. Tapping on edit photo, you can take a photo from your camera or from media picker. So once you're done, you tap on the icon at the top. Note, you can only change your public username once. So it's as simple as that. Let's see if I can change it again. You can change the public username only once. Let's see if it can be changed again. It seems it can. Well, I guess you can change your public username more than once. So the next thing you do, you go back. It's as simple as that.